Connor, it's here, the new Xbox Series X.
You just killed me on Crash Bandicoot.
Well, the new Xbox? Far Cry?
I don't care about the new Xbox anymore.
Crash Bandicoot. New Xbox, 4K, 60 FPS.
Lying.
Connor, here it is, Xbox Series X, brand new. Connor, here it. Oh, it's loaded. Far Cry.
I'm okay. I'm playing Crash Bandicoot 1.
You don't want the 4K?
It's just gonna... Are you recording?
It's recorded.
Duck behind the table.
Mitchell here, design and marketing at Mast. So it's my job to let you know that we have just received black Dahua Intercoms. I'm going to tear into a few now. There's a fly going. Hi, Mitchell here, Matt from... So we finally have...